Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix sound not working or missing audio in Escape from Duckov on PC. Let's get right into the fixes. Solution 1. Set your speakers or headphones as default. Sometimes Windows assigns the wrong output device. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then Open Sound. In the list, find your speakers or headphones. Click to select them, then press Set Default. Now launch your game and check if the audio works. Solution 2. Check audio levels. Your sound might be muted or too low. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume slider isn't all the way down. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 3. Adjust audio bitrate and exclusive mode. Fixes sound distortion or missing output in some games. In the Properties window of your device, open the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, set it to 48,000 Hz, Studio Quality, or 44/100 Hz, CD Quality. Uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Press Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Disable spatial sound. Spatial sound can sometimes interfere with in-game audio. Open the Spatial Sound tab. From the drop-down, select Off. Click Apply, then OK. Now restart your game and check again. Solution 5. Update your audio driver. Outdated audio drivers can cause your sound to stop working. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and wait for Windows to update it. Solution 6. Reinstall the audio driver manually. If updating didn't help, try reinstalling manually. Go back to Device Manager. Right-click your audio device again and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your device from the list and click Next. Once installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the process to complete. GPU drivers also manage certain sound channels, especially HDMI audio. Solution 8. Update NVIDIA drivers for NVIDIA users. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Launch the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers tab, click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, restart your PC and launch Escape from Duckov again. And that's it! You've now learned how to fix sound not working or missing audio in Escape from Duckov on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.